This 2024 Leisure Travel Unity 24 terabytes is a Class C RV. It is located in Tucson, Arizona, 85714 and is offered for sale by La Mesa, RecVan, Tucson. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used leisure travel is 25 feet 0 inches in length. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.